Hi, hello, Lukhiram.
Yes, I am fine. Tell me, how are you?
I'm fine and thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Like you asked, you are fine.
Okay, that's great. You are so
Yes, yes.
excited.
Yes, today I'm very excited that I could connect to you finally. For a long time, I've been watching your videos on YouTube. You took many sessions with great YouTubers. So I decided
Okay,
I should connect with her too. That's why I send you message through email ID. Yes, I
thank
got your
you.
email, Gmail.
Thank
Then I
you.
connected with you finally.
Thank you
Yes,
for
yes.
reaching me out and having a conversation with me. Thank you.
Yes.
So, before moving to our session, I would like to know about you as we are meeting very first time. So, let us introduce ourselves.
Okay, why not? Why not? I'm ready to introduce myself. Listen carefully so that you will be
Yes.
able to understand. So, if I
Okay.
talk about my name is Jadu Kisku, I come from Jharkhand Saigon district. If I talk about my education, I'm in 10th. Currently, I'm going to give the exam around in the month of January 2026. Yes, if I talk about my family members, 6 members are in my family. That's all about me. Now it is your turn. Please give your introduction as well.
Okay, thank you. And thank you for my turn.
Yes.
Uh, as you know, my name is Rashi Khandelwal. I am connecting with you from Rajasthan and I am a homemaker. And besides that, I have a YouTube channel too. On that channel, I am making content of conversations and some other English tips and tricks. Some other English content is there on my channel. And if you talk about my qualifications, then I have done my master's in English literature. So that's all about me.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, 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 yes. Great, great. That you have done master in English. Great. So
Yeah.
can you tell me, because you told that you have master in English, so can you tell me that, do you know, like, you learn English every day, or like you skip some days like that, or you have already made your schedule that I have to study and learn English every day, or what?
Actually, we all have some schedule kind of thing in our life, as I am the person who just loves to make to-do list. So yeah,
Yes.
practicing and reading are also in my schedule. But I also skip because of some routine can be, as I can say last 4 to 5 days I was so busy that I was not able to practice my English reading, writing, or studying any content. So it depends on time also. It depends on situations also.
Yes, great, great. Yes, yes, yes. So, have you been knowing me for a long time, or when I send you message, then you watch my video and then you send me message back, or you have been knowing me and watching my video for a long time before I sent you message, or what?
Okay, so I know you because I have seen your conversations with a YouTuber named Seema Verma and a
Yes.
YouTuber named Niyati, I think, if I am able to recall her name right. And yeah, I know you as a viral boy also.
Oh,
So,
great, great. Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes. I am known by Viral Boy. Yes. Most of the people know me by name of Viral Boy, by the name of Viral Boy. Like,
yeah.
when they remember, when they will be told about Viral Boy name by anyone, they will suddenly recognize and
Hmm.
recall about me that,
Hmm.
his name is Jadu, like that. He works on YouTube, that he uploads
Yeah.
video like that.
The same
Yes.
thing I know about you. As you know, I was not aware that you are also doing conversations when I saw your video on my feed. That time I got to know about it, that you are also making conversation videos for communication.
Yes, yes. Only you used to know that he takes session like that, but he cannot have channel like that. I think you are knowing, but when I send you message, it means like you came to know that really he has channel, he works. Right, right.
Yeah, yeah. After having your email, then search about your channel and I got your channel.
Oh, great. Yes, yes, yes. So
So,
what did you tell your state name from India?
sorry,
What did you tell about your state, like state?
my state is I am belongs from Rajasthan.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So what types of clothes, like mostly girls in Rajasthan, like to wear in their body? Can you tell me?
Okay, yeah, there are different kind of dresses in our according to our traditions, and in Rajasthan there
Yes.
are Rajputi besh. is a specific dress. Normally, Rajputi those ladies who belongs from Rajputi community, they wear that dresses
Yes.
on festival or in daily routine. And some other groups like Gujars are also there, Meenas are also there in Rajasthan. Their girls and their females wear a different kind of dress like a skirt and a chunri every day. And
Yes.
more normally, as like all over the India, we also wear saris and suits, lehengas on festival time. So yeah, and in Rajasthan, chundri print dresses are, more famous. On every festival you can see ladies wear red sari, different painted. So
Yes.
these are some specific dresses for females in Rajasthan, and we wear it according to our festivals. We have lots of festival in Rajasthan for girls especially, so we have to celebrate them, and we like to
Yes.
celebrate
Great.
them.
Great.
Yeah.
Yes. 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 So, what types of festival? Can you name some festivals which you which you with? I think the people of Rajasthan in your area, like you
Hmm.
celebrate. Can you tell me
Hmm.
the name of festival?
Yeah, yeah, of course. In the month of Sawan, we celebrate Tej. So
Yes.
on that festival, we wear green dresses, specifically green dresses. But if someone wants to wear different color, then they can be. It is not a rigid rule. So we wear a leheria, a special different kind of saris, a special different kind of pattern for some dresses which we wear on Tej especially, or in Sawan month especially. And there is
Yes.
another festival which we call Gangor. On that day,
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
we dresses like all fully makeup and a lot of ornaments, lots of jewelry, and wear heavy dresses like lehengas, skirts, and we celebrate and we do worship of Shiv and Parvati in the form of Gora and Shiv. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the festivals, and there we all have some same festivals like Holi, Diwali. These are all same.
Yes. 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 So,
Hmm.
can you tell me now the Diwali and Durga Puja? I think
Hmm.
right.
Hmm.
I think Durga Puja is getting close and approaching. So when will Durga Puja be in your area? Like in your area, I think in India, different areas. I think in my area, I think after 7 8 days around. In your area, can you tell me the date of the like Durga Puja?
Actually, I can say Navratri has been started from today in our Rajasthan, but I am not aware when we will do our Durga Puja. I mean, when will we celebrate Ashtami or Navami, Durga Navami or Durga Ashtami? Actually, I don't know exact dates.
Yes. So
Yeah.
have you ever visited Jharkhand state or not? Like I think
Mm.
you look that you have visited. I think one time.
Actually, I have not visited Jharkhand state anytime, and yeah, I am not so much aware about Jharkhand. So, can you tell me something about your state and something about your village specifically?
Yes, yes. So if I talk about my place is Sahibganj, Sahibganj is a district of Jharkhand state. Yes.
Okay.
And I belong from one small, block which
Hmm.
comes under Sahibganj district of Jharkhand state that is called Borio.
Hmm.
Yes. And under Borio blocks of Sahibganj district of Jharkhand state, there is one village. Name is Aprol. So I live at Aprol village. I think you understood, right?
Okay.
So if I talk about Jharkhand is very good state, I think according to me, the people, if I compare the people of Jharkhand, I think people told me also, other people with whom I connected so far, they keep telling me that the people of Jharkhand are very good, their behavior like that, and there we are getting to see the trees and nature like that. So if I talk about my area like Sahibganj, there's one waterfall name is, Moti Jharna.
Okay.
Moti means you understood. Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, moti are found, I think. Yes. So that's why they, yes, named that like that. Moti
Okay.
Jhanna. So this place, this waterfall is very famous in Jharkhand. Everyone, I think those who are from Jharkhand,
Hmm.
they may be, I think they may know this, like, because in this area from different places, people come on, like picnic day, you can consider, like they come for picnic, especially
Okay.
in like January month. Yes.
Okay. I have seen greenery beside behind you. You know, you are. just having your walk in a greenery field, I can say. So
Yes,
is there
really.
an
Because in,
do
yes,
is there
yes.
any sunshine or not as you are having a walking at this time? It's 2:33.
No, this time, yes, because this is, I think, around 2 p.m., right? So
Hmm.
around at 2 p.m. time, I think there will not be sunshine, like that you can
Okay.
consider. Yes, it will not be sunshine mostly. But around it, I think before 1 p.m. around, that time, I think it will be sunshine here. And mostly people will not take what, like cattle or, animals, like
Hmm.
what, pet animals, for
Hmm.
grazing here.
Hmm.
But after some time they will take here, because this area is very good. This you can consider, like from one side you can say this is the place where people keep taking
Hmm.
buffalo, cows, goats to graze,
Hmm.
and some
Hmm.
goat were bound already, so that they can eat grass. That all, This area is
Okay.
very good, and there you can see like a field area, paddy
Yes,
field.
I
Yes,
can see there are some fields also behind you. So have you take your pets for grazing with you?
yes, yes. We have pet animals, goat. Yes,
Okay. So as
buffalo
you
also and cow also. Yes,
yeah. So just tell me how you spend your day in a village. How a
yes.
life
In
in a
village,
village is
yes.
different from
Being a
a
villager,
life.
yes. Yes, yes. So if I talk about spending time in village area, I spend in like joy. You can consider with joy. Yes. If I talk about spending time mostly, so nowadays, I'm studying the school. Yes, and mostly yes for enjoying my day here. I keep walking and looking places in Jharkhand. And sometime I will go with those friends. Who will take buffalo, cows, goats.
Hmm.
And you're like that. I will go with them, play with them like that. You can
Hmm.
consider. And now all my friends they speak English language, so I speak while speaking in English with them, improving English. I'm enjoying spending my time nowadays. Yes, and learning new thing from social media also and from my friends. Yes, like
Okay.
that.
So in your village you have friends with whom you can do practice in English.
Yes, yes, yes. Not because now this is social media
Hmm.
time, and now I'm talking with the people from other places also, and not only from my village, but
Hmm.
I have friends from my village. They also know English, but sometimes they are not getting time because mostly my I have friends they are in college.
Hmm.
They study in the college, so due to
Hmm.
which they don't get time, because they are not staying in the
Hmm.
village.
Hmm.
Now they are in the city area. Yes,
Okay.
sometimes they come on in holidays time, so that time I speak and enjoy with them. Yes, because I'm also about to go for college, after some days like that, after
Hmm.
giving the exam. Yes,
Hmm.
now I'm in 10th. Yes,
Hmm. That's
like that.
remarkable. You are putting your efforts, you are doing practices, and you are enjoying your life in a village. So, do you think the
Yes,
life in
really.
a village is peaceful?
Really, really, because now in the village area, I think I have heard about the city like there, like people like silence. There is no any silence in the village. Silence,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And people told me from the city, those who come, like they told me in the city we are living, and
Hmm.
they're like we are not getting like we are getting disturbed like that. Like
Hmm.
people are disturbing us like that. Noises problem in the city, right?
Hmm.
Yes, yes. Because I've stayed, I think, so far, for 3 days. So one, I think, what a small city, I think, comes under Dumka district, which is a district of, Jharkhand state. So there I had
Okay.
gone for teaching purpose. I had gone for teaching purpose. So there I was staying, living. So that time, I was not feeling like it because first time, I was staying in the city. Yes, even I couldn't come out of the room like that.
Hmm.
I was feeling. Yes,
Hmm. So you
yes.
were feeling alone in the city.
Yes, yes, because I was invited there, and I have
Yes.
only one friend, and I was not
Hmm.
feeling like good there only. Yes,
Okay.
because the rest of the students are like student, they come from other places. I don't know
Hmm.
them. First time I'm meeting them like that. Yes,
Hmm. So, do you have
yes,
any dream? What you want to become in your life?
yes. So I have decided, yes, that's why I study. And yes, I decided, according to my parents, they want me to be like teacher like that, English teacher. My
Okay.
parents, like they keep thinking like you should be teacher because you know English and you can teach the students of your village, our village, because the students of our village, they come from Hindi medium mostly and they
Hmm.
don't know English language. That's why, they keep saying me, my parents,
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
according to me, if I talk about, so I want to become an IS officer in my life, yes. This is my
Okay.
dream. According to me, yes, telling. Yes.
Okay. So for IAS officer, for cracking UPSC examination, you have to do Lot of hard work.
Yes.
So are you ready for that?
Yes, yes, yes. I am ready for that.
So,
Yes, yeah, I know very well that we have to like I have to study hard for that, right? Yes,
okay. So what are the things which makes you motivated and which makes you confident that you can do it?
yes. Actually, many videos on YouTube I watch. Yes,
Hmm.
and we are called Adivasi. Adivasi, I think Adivasi not are not living only in Jharkhand state of India, but I think in other country also like Africa. If you will go to
Hmm.
Africa, there also you will get Adivasi, right?
Hmm.
Adivasi tribal you will
Hmm.
get.
Hmm.
So I come from Adivasi caste, yes, tribal caste. So no one from tribal caste from Jharkhand became IS officer so far, I think. So
Okay.
that's why
So
I want to be that. Yes,
you
and many
want
videos
to,
people keep
hmm.
motivating me. Yes,
Yeah, you
like
want to
that.
make proud of your whole community.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah. So very, very all the best for your journey and study hard, work for your dream, and just do your hard work, and the destiny will obviously pay you your result.
Yes, great.
Yeah. Do you have any question for me?
Yes.
I would
I
love to answer
think yes,
them.
yes. Now I think video is getting long. I think maybe right, and I
Yeah.
have to go to the market. Yes, actually I
Okay.
had I have some work in the showroom of bike. So that's
Hmm.
why. Yes,
Okay. So you are also earning too.
yes, yes. I'm earning. I'm running online classes, offline classes. Yes,
Okay. So for English subject or any other?
only English is spoken. Yes,
Okay, so you are learning and you are teaching simultaneously. That's
yes,
great. That's great.
yes. I'm learning from students. They are also learning from me like that. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, there is this is the way we can teach, we can learn. It is a give and take practice.
Yes, it's really. Yes.
Okay, I think we should wrap up this call if you don't have any questions for me.
Okay. Okay, then we can connect anytime now. And I want to watch your channel. Do you have channel or not?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay. So can you send me the link of your channel so that I can
Yeah.
visit your channel to watch your videos? How are you making? I had got your videos. I think you have taken one session with one girl. I think maybe. So that like in that video I saw you. Yes. Then I decided I
Okay.
should connect. Yes.
Yeah, I will share
Yes.
my channel's link with you and I will send it to you. And then you can check my channel. And thank you for your
Okay.
appreciation that you can go and check my channel.
Okay.
Okay, then take care. Bye bye. And it
Okay.
was nice to talk to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye
Thank you for
bye.
calling, talking with me. Yes.
It's my pleasure. And we can connect again. Thank you.